figured why not kick off the new year with a quick video showcasing the 3 new Fenty liquid lipsticks, the Stunna liquid lipsticks. I have not yet tried these at all, but as you may or may not be familiar with the channel, I reviewed the original one, which was uncensored, and that was the red, and I also reviewed Unveiled and I think Uncuffed, which were a brown and like a pink shade. I reviewed those back in the fall. And I am, those of you that don't follow me on any other platform, I am on a no buy for 2019. And so I'm very limited on the items that I'm purchasing. So you won't see tons of reviews this year, but I did have a gift card. So with that gift card, I purchased these 3 items. And so without further ado, I figured let's go ahead and get into some lip swatches. And after the swatches, I will share with you my thoughts on the 3 new Fenty Beauty Stunna liquid lipsticks. These all launched today, February 12th in Sephora, JCPenney, Harvey Nichols, I think is a store, and also on the Fenty Beauty website. These retail for $24 each. Okay, let's go ahead.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all.
So this color is absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful, beautiful pink shade. I would love to see how it compares to Candy Venom. I will say though that I found this to be a little bit on the streaky side, which was a fear I had when I saw the swatches on the 400 range, because if you've ever tried a Fenty foundation and you're in my skin tone, then you're going to be looking at the foundations that are numbered in the 400s rather. And if they're numbered in the 400s, you're darker skinned. And if you went on the Fenty Instagram page last week where they posted these, you will have seen that when they swatched on the arms, I felt like the 400 shades were in this color was streaky, and this was my favorite shade. If you want, I feel like Candy Venom, which was one of her Mademoiselle lipsticks, I do have a review of those from last year, the original Mademoiselle lipsticks. Candy Venom, I believe, is a similar shade to this. It may be a little bit off, but that one, formula-wise, it's not a liquid lipstick, but formula-wise, if you like a pink in this sort of shade, listen, if you want. I like Stunna. I'm going to keep this. I like the formula relatively, but this I'm feeling is, I don't know, it's probably not translating as much on camera, but I'm feeling it's a slightly bit streaky. And again, these are $24. The Mademoiselle lipsticks, I believe, are $18, and you're obviously not going to deal with any streakiness. Now, let's see. This hasn't been on my lips that long, so I want to be fair in saying that, you know, I've only had this on my lips for maybe now like 5 minutes. So we'll see how it dried down. As you can see, it did not dry down. So the Stunna liquid lipsticks, which is something that I've always talked about, take a while to dry down, and even when they do, they are not transfer proof, they are not smudge proof. So anyway, let's continue on with our review.
I'll take it to Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking, you're sweet, you're falling into me, touch me, I swear, you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free, I wanna make you sweat on me, I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal.
Okay, so as far as this one goes, already in love with it. It's giving me the full coverage that I'm accustomed to with all the other Stunna lip paints that I've used. I've always gotten full coverage. This one is giving me full coverage. I'm absolutely here for it. The pink didn't really give it to me, though it's pretty. This one is the Color Undefeated, and it's giving me that pout. Yes, it's beautiful. It's just a beautiful, beautiful deep purple shade. I need to clean up my makeup around my mouth because it's looking a little bit crazy, but otherwise I'm here for this shade. Let's do the thing test that we did to see if it's gonna come off. Yeah, so yep, it's acting just like the other one did, and it does absolutely transfer, even though I've had it on my lips now for about 5 minutes. Maybe it'll dry down even more, who knows, but just to give you guys that information so you know that this can, and it does have the potential to get a little bit messy fooling with these Stunna lip paints. But anyway, let's go ahead and do the very last one, and thank you so much for watching.
Been having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free.
Okay, boo-boos, so that is it. That's the final color in the Color Unattached. What's interesting is I thought this would be my least favorite color, and it might be my favorite color. I know it's bright, it looks a little bit crazy, but I feel like this might be my go-to summer lip. For my top lip, which is always the problem lip, my top lip is the brown lip, my bottom lip is the pink lip, and the pink lip is always fine no matter what you put on her. The top lip, however, she's a little bit wishy-washy, and colors do not necessarily translate fully onto that top lip. But in this instance, I'm finding that for the most part, this pretty much covers. It's pretty, it's surprising to me that the first shade, the pink shade, whatever color that was, I don't remember right this moment. I guess I could look, huh? It's here somewhere. This pink shade, which is the color Unlocked, for whatever reason, that one was less opaque than this one, which is the brighter, more neon color that I expected to be less opaque. So surprisingly, in order of favorites in terms of like formula and how it just feels on my lip, it would have to be, and also look, I don't know why, I'm just here for, maybe it's just I'm just in the mood for bright and I'm here for it today. At first I was like, I'm gonna return this, but I'm actually gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep all three of them. I like all of them. I think they all translate in terms of against my skin tone beautifully. I don't feel like a clown in any of these. And these are $24, sold at Sephora and JCPenney, Harvey Nichols, and FentyBeauty.com. Please leave your thoughts, your questions, all of that stuff down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about these colors, and if you're going to be picking any of them up. I hope this review was helpful to you. Oh, we forgot to do the test. I'm expecting that it's going to be the same as the other two as we saw here, but let's go ahead and see. And yep, as we suspected, again, none of these colors, the Stunna lip paints, they are not transfer proof. You can throw on a a translucent powder on top to maybe help it be transfer proof. I'm most likely going to be throwing glosses on these, especially for the summer. Not the purple one. The purple one I ain't going to wear that in the summer really, but the other two, we'll throw some gloss on top. We'll keep it pushing. It'll be just fine. And again, if you like this pink shade, look into Candy Venom in the, Candy Venom in the Mademoiselle Fenty lipsticks, and let me know what you think. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.